Have you ever stared at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? You pay bills religiously, but that number just seems to shrink every month. The culprit? Hidden fees and sneaky subscriptions. We've all been there. We sign up for a free trial of that fancy meditation app or that music streaming service to try the latest album. But then, life gets busy, and next thing you know, you're getting charged for services you don't even use anymore. That's where Rocket Money swoops in, claiming to be your financial superhero. But is it just another app promising magic solutions, or can it actually help you blast off with your finances? Let's dive in and see how much money Rocket Money can really save you. Transition sound. First things first, forget the idea of Rocket Money itself costing you a ton of money. The basic features are completely free. You can connect your bank accounts, track your spending, and even identify potential subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Here's where things get interesting, the premium features. For a monthly fee, Rocket Money offers to take a more active role in managing your subscriptions. They'll negotiate lower rates on your bills, think cable, internet, and even hunt down hidden fees lurking in your statements. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But the key question remains, is the premium service worth the cost? Cut to explainer graphic with dollar signs. Here's the thing, the amount of money Rocket Money can save you depends entirely on your spending habits. If you're already a budgeting pro, meticulously tracking your subscriptions and bill statements, you might not see a huge difference. However, if you're someone who signs up for trials and forgets to cancel or struggles to keep track of all those monthly subscriptions, Rocket Money could be a game changer. Here's how. Subscription management. Imagine the horror of finally realizing you've been paying for that language learning app you used twice, 2 years ago. Rocket Money can scan your accounts and identify recurring charges. You can then easily review and cancel subscriptions you no longer need with a single click. Bill negotiation. Let's face it, negotiating with cable companies or internet providers can feel like wrangling a particularly stubborn toddler. Rocket Money takes that burden off your shoulders. Their team of experts will directly contact your service providers and try to get you a better deal. Hidden fee hunters. Banking statements are notorious for cryptic charges and hidden fees. Rocket Money can analyze your transactions and flag suspicious activity. This could be anything from overdraft penalties to bank service charges you didn't know existed. Cut back to live footage. Now, the million-dollar question, how much can you really save? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Rocket Money itself claims that on average, users save around $1,000 per year. Sounds fantastic, right? But it's important to remember that this is an average. Your personal savings will depend on several factors. Number of subscriptions. The more subscriptions you have, the higher the potential savings. Negotiation success. Negotiation with service providers isn't guaranteed. While Rocket Money has a team of experts, success rates can vary. Hidden fee frequency. The more hidden fees you have, the more Rocket Money can potentially help you recover. Transition sound. So, is Rocket Money worth it? Here's the honest truth, it depends. If you're financially disciplined and have a good grasp on your spending, the free features might be enough. But if you struggle with subscription creep, hidden fees, or simply dread negotiating with service providers, then the premium service could be a valuable tool. Cut to screen with pros and cons list. Let's break it down with a quick pros and cons list. Pros. Free basic features. Subscription management. Bill negotiation. Hidden fee detection. Cons. Premium service has a monthly fee. Savings are not guaranteed. Relies on your bank information. Cut back to live footage. The bottom line? Rocket Money isn't a magic solution, but it can be a helpful tool in your financial arsenal. Try out the free features first, see how much you like the interface and how well it tracks your spending. If you find yourself constantly battling subscriptions or suspect hidden fees are draining your account, then consider the premium service. Just remember, carefully weigh the cost against your potential savings. Call to action. Have you tried Rocket Money? Share your